Hello everyone, I'm Michael T. Chuang and welcome to A Day in My Bobo Life. Today's topic is my Disney Chinese New Year stuff, or Lunar New Year stuff came from my trip. This is this year's t-shirt design. Let's see it. So, pretty stoked. Only thing I'm bummed about is I usually also go to Disneyland Hong Kong and Disneyland Shanghai every year for Lunar New Year, for Chinese New Year. And yeah, this year due to COVID, I'm not traveling, and they usually have more nicer things. They have more stuff in Shanghai. It's a year of the ox. I live in a very Asian area of Los Angeles, and it's been awesome seeing all the Chinese and Lunar New Year decorations starting to go up. Here is my workout summary for the week. Another 8 vlogs completed. It's a wrap. From my 40th vlog, shout out to my care holders and have a magical day, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel to always stay updated.